Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video we will be doing a fall try on haul, and it's Walmart, so that makes it even better. You know I love a good deal, I love discounts, I love coupons, I love all that. I love looking fly on a budget, paying as less as possible to look the best as possible, okay? Over the last couple weeks I have been shopping at Walmart, and I think I have like one other store, but most of these clothes came from Walmart. I just been picking it up and collecting it. The shirt I have on right now is actually one of the shirts. It's really nice fall, COVID friendly leisure wear, because I realize I have a lot of dressed up clothes, but if I'm not going anywhere because I'm trying to protect myself from the Rona, I need some leisure, hang around the house, cute but still comfy clothes. So Walmart was the perfect place for me. Let me stop right here. If you are not following me on Instagram, please follow me. My @ is everything by Maja. That's where you see behind the scenes of everything I do. Hair, fashion, makeup, everything. It's like everything about Michaela Janae. That's where you'll find it on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there. I do have a video on my hair. It already came out. It is green and I'm loving it. I got a couple different t-shirts from Walmart. I got this one, but these are actually out of the men's section. Let me tell you, if you are sleeping on the men's section, I don't know what you'd be doing. Men's clothes are cheaper, they're really nice quality, and they just like feel so good, and I love the fit. So I got this shirt for like $4. So this is the first item. This shirt right here is the second item. It is actually out of the women's section, but I got this shirt for $4, and it's just super nice, and it's a light brown, cute for fall. But what I love that goes with this, I got a hat from Walmart, and this hat was, I want to say, $10, and I definitely need this because I'm supposed to be going on a trip to somewhere cold. Let me see if I can sit down. To somewhere cold, so I needed a little hat with a pom-pom on it because that's a necessity if you're going somewhere cold, which is going to look kind of dumb with my, oh wait, no it doesn't, it looks kind of cute. I ain't lying, it's kind of cute. And I needed it to be a neutral because my new thing is like cheetah print. I got some cheetah print boots, and I got this cheetah print scarf from Walmart, and this scarf was $12. I actually still have the tag on it, and it's just so big and nice. Most of the times I like to wear my scarves like this, you know, real cute with a big jacket, but where I live I don't even be needing all this, so I got this specifically for the trip I'm going on. That's why I don't have any scarves or anything like that. As of right now it's like 80 degrees outside, so I never need things like that. So I picked up that hat, that scarf, this shirt. I also picked up this little black headband that I love. It's like knitted. There you go, y'all can see, and it has this like little knot in the front, and it is just so cute, and it keeps my head so warm. Once again, it's something that looks good with my curly hair. Okay, not with the part down the middle, but y'all get the vibes. It's just so cute, and I paid I want to say $5 for that. Really nice and cheap and cute. Don't mind my sports bra, but this shirt is so nice, and it kind of matches my skin tone. I'm usually not a neutrals girl, but I find it essential to have some neutrals in your closet, so I'm like, let me get to that. The next shirt I got from Walmart is this long sleeve, like nice camel brown. It's coming off more red because of my ring light, but it is a nice camel color, and it is once again so cute. Like, it's perfect for fall. It is like the perfect color. I think they're all in a men's small. This is also a men's shirt, so I'm telling y'all, do not sleep on the men's. This is so cute and comfy, and it just fits so nice and relaxing. I like that the sleeves are long enough for me so I can do whatever I need to do. I could dress this up or just wear it leisurely. And this shirt was also like $5. Okay, so I also got the green version of that shirt. Once again, so nice, so comfortable, so cute, like, ooh. And they were so cheap, so this is great to go underneath my jackets, because sometimes the jacket is the fit and you just need a shirt underneath. Okay, so I also got this beautiful light blue shirt, nice and big. This is a men's large, and it's cute. I can tie it up like this, or you know, like there are certain ways you can tie stuff and then tuck it in and have it looking all cute like that. So there's different ways you could wear big shirts. You know, you could do the little knot to the side, whatever you like. But big shirts are really nice and cute, and there's ways you can make them super feminine. So I love this shirt, and I got this one for $4 also out of the men's section. Okay, so I also got this super cute tie-dye shirt that is not from Walmart, but I want to show it to you guys. It actually came from this local vendor at my flea market in my city. I absolutely love this shirt. I just have to show it off because I will be, I don't know, like, I don't know if I want to turn it into something else or just wear it. Like, I think I'm gonna just wear it because this looks super cool with my hair. Ooh, yes, like, yes. And this shirt is actually an extra large, but just the dyes are so bright. This was handmade. You guys know I'm the tie-dye queen, but even my colors are not this saturated and this intense. Like, this shirt is super cute, but I threw on this shirt to show you guys my white shirts. I do have on makeup right now, so I don't want to get anything on them from Walmart, and it's the exact same kind as the camel kind and the green kind, so you know what these look like. It's really cute, and it'll go nice with my hat and scarf. Okay, and my second white shirt is this racing tee. It is a Corvette and Chevrolet one. This one is super cute. I've seen a couple people in this one, so all the girls know about this little steal. We got this out of the men's section, and this is a size small, and it fits really well. So I was so happy to find this. You know, racing tees are in right now, and they're so cute, but they are so overpriced. They have one right there at Walmart to get your little fit together. Okay, what else I got from Walmart are these sweatpants. So I got 2 pairs of sweatpants, and they were $10 a piece. I got the red sweatpants in a size medium. Let me just throw these on over the leggings because they are men's, so they are a little big, but that's how they should fit. They're really cute, and they have the little elastic at the bottom. I don't mess with sweatpants that don't have that, but they are so cute. So I have these in this color, and I have them in gray, and these are a medium. I didn't want to get a small, and they're actually dark gray because most people have light gray sweatpants, but I needed some dark gray sweatpants. And these mediums are like really big, but like I said, I needed some cozy wear, so these are actually super cute. I love them. So another recent purchase from Walmart, I just went and picked up some jeans. And the thing about Walmart's jeans, I got these out the junior section, and they are a size 11, so make sure you're getting your proper size when it comes to Walmart, because in adult women's I'm like a size 6, but in the juniors I'm a size 11, and they fit perfect. These were only $10 also, and they're so cute. Like, I like that they are boot cut. They're super cute. I don't know if you can tell, but these jeans are cute, and only $10. Like, okay, Walmart. So I got them in this color, and they did have skinny leg if you're not secure enough to do the boot cut and you're just a skinny leg girl. They had that too. These are the ones right here that are super, like, they look like bell bottoms, and I love them, and they literally fit my waist so perfectly, and they're high-waisted. Ooh, yes. Through Walmart, and they are real jeans. They're not like the stretchy material. They actually look cute with this shirt, so like, this is a fit I would literally wear. Yes, because like I said, I could even, like, I got all these clothes. Like, I literally got like 10 shirts for not a lot of money. 2 pairs of jeans for $20. Like, and y'all going to wear for what? No. Another honorable mention, of course, I got me some socks. We just got a Skechers outlet in town, so I got me some socks out of Skechers, and I got me this cute pullover. This pullover was $10. Like $10. Let me try it on for you guys, but it is so cute, and it's oversized. This is a size large, so I think it's about to be cute. So like I said, it is going to get cold eventually, and this is so cute. Like, peep the colors. It is this baby blue with the mustard yellow and the orange Skechers. Like, this is so cute, and it's so comfy. Ooh, I love it, and it's the perfect amount of big. Like, $10. Are you kidding me? Like, it's worth way more, but I love this. Like, come through Skechers, but it was on sale, so I'm showing you guys everything that I picked up that was cheap on and on sale. Alright you guys, so I think that is the end of this quick little Walmart discount fall cozy wear, lounge wear haul, whatever I chose to name it, because it was all of that in one. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you would like a tutorial on my makeup or how I got my hair like this, let me know, because I'm definitely down to do that. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you want to see from me. You can DM me. I answer my DMs. Go ahead, they're open. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you stay to watch another one. At the end of the video, a video is recommended to you, so go ahead and click that. Okay, click that, let me know what you think. I'ma holler at you guys in that next video.